In this video I'm going to show you how to add to-do list widget on your iPhone. So before I start, please subscribe to my channel. Now you want to long hold and then click on the top left on this plus icon, and from there you want to scroll down until we see our to-do list thingy. It's somewhere here. Oh, here it is, reminders. And then you have three options. You have it like a big one, smaller one, and the smallest one. Once you have choose the one you want, you just want to click on add widget, click on done on the top right, and that's it. If I tap on it, I'm going to enter all of my reminders or to-dos, and that's pretty much it. If you want to remove it, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're still having some issues, please let me know in the comments down below.